The best video editing software is aimed at professional video editors, VFX artists and filmmakers, but that doesn't mean it's only for them. This can also be an important purchase for those creating videos for YouTube, Vimeo, or social media and who want their content to look polished, slick, and highly professional. Here are the top 5 best video editing software. Number 5. Final Cut Pro X. Final Cut Pro X is an incredibly powerful and well-respected tool for professional video editing. The main problem is that it's not available for Windows. On the plus side, it's free. Final Cut Pro X lets you pay once, and only once, if you don't want to subscribe to Creative Cloud. Final Cut Pro X includes features such as 306 static video, HDR, and advanced color correction tools, and integrates with other parts of Apple's ecosystem, such as your Photos or iTunes collection. The magnetic timeline of Final Cut Pro X is a popular feature with professional video editors, as are the grouping tools, the wide range of effects, and the easy ways to add and edit audio. Number 4. Pinnacle Studio. Pinnacle Studio isn't the most well-known video editing software for Windows, but it's well worth checking out if you've never worked with video before. The software provides more than 1,500 effects, titles, and templates, 6-track HD video editing, color correction tools, a dedicated stop-motion feature, and more. It's also very easy to use. With version 25, you get smart object tracking, AK import, keyframe groups, new blend modes, and new audio features. From both a price and functionality standpoint, Pinnacle Studio sits between the more basic free tools and professional-level video editing tools. Number 3. Adobe Premiere Elements. Premiere Pro is quite expensive and requires a lot of learning if you only want to edit some family video footage or your first YouTube video for fun. The best video editing software for beginners is Adobe Premiere Elements, which is a simpler option for beginners. It's basically a simplified version of Premiere Pro, our number 1 pick. Even so, this video editing software is still a very capable tool, packed with high-end features like face detection, audio effects, and bundled soundtracks. With the approach to video editing, it's very simple and visual, and you get all the video effects you need, such as transitions, chroma keying, and opacity. With smart search functionality, video stabilization options, and automated functions, such as motion tracking and smart toning, you can also develop a fast workflow. If you want to try before you buy, there is also a 30-day free trial. Number 2. Cyberlink PowerDirector 365. PowerDirector 365 is a powerful piece of consumer-level video editing software from Cyberlink. It has long been available for Windows users, and now it's available for Mac users as well. It is available as a one-time purchase or as a monthly or annual subscription, and both options are fairly cheap. PowerDirector 365 offers many professional and high-quality features despite its very reasonable price. Get cracking on the 100-track timeline and you'll soon find yourself making the most of lots of stabilization and video correction tools, professional effects, multicam editing, motion tracking, and surprisingly easy trimming. Additionally, 360-degree video editing is available, as well as support for all file formats and standards. In addition, there are slideshows, screen recordings, DVD menus, and object design tools. Shutterstock offers a library of royalty-free content that is free and unlimited to you. In the latest version, released in September 2021, you can speed up your workflow by using AI-powered tools such as sky replacement, object detection, speech enhancement, and wind removal. Number 1. Adobe Premiere Pro. Adobe Premiere Pro is one of the 2 industry standard tools for video editing, alongside Final Cut Pro, see number 5 on our list. Top professionals use it for everything from YouTube videos, commercials, short films, and TV shows. In terms of features and sophistication, these 2 products are nearly identical, but Final Cut Pro is only available for Mac. Because Adobe Premiere Pro is available for both Mac and Windows, it is the best video editing software overall. As part of an Adobe Creative Cloud all-app subscription, Premiere Pro is included, and it works seamlessly with other Adobe tools, such as After Effects for motion graphics and Adobe Stock for importing assets. You should still consider Premiere Pro as a standalone app, even if you don't want the full Creative Cloud suite. Premiere Pro supports 4K, 8K, and VR formats. Trimming and editing tools give you a high degree of control and precision. Work on an unlimited number of video tracks, which can be imported from pretty much any source. Multi-angle shots are handled automatically, and the software offers customizable keyboard shortcuts and a great collaboration feature. Which one was your favorite? Why don't you let us know in the comments below? Check out our other videos. That's it for now.